Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa quemada. This unique and flavorful sauce gets its name from the Spanish word for burnt, referring to the deeply charred ingredients. We'll explore the simple yet transformative process of roasting vegetables to perfection, creating a smoky, rich, and incredibly delicious salsa that will elevate any dish. Get ready to master this authentic Mexican staple, a true culinary delight. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 5 ripe Roma tomatoes, 2 serrano peppers for a nice kick, 1/4 of a white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. The magic truly happens in the roasting. Place all these vegetables directly over an open flame or on a very hot comal. Turn them frequently until their skins are deeply charred and blistered, achieving that signature queemada effect. After roasting, let your vegetables cool slightly. Then, gently peel the garlic and remove the stems from the peppers. Transfer all the charred goodness into a blender. Add about a half cup of water to help with blending. Pulse the mixture a few times, aiming for a chunky, rustic consistency, not a smooth puree. Finally, season your salsa with approximately 1 teaspoon of salt, adjusting to your preference. Your incredible salsa quemada is now ready to enjoy. This vibrant, smoky salsa is best served fresh, allowing its complex flavors to shine. It's an absolutely perfect accompaniment for a variety of dishes, from classic tacos and quesadillas to grilled meats and even eggs. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.